Okay, this is part 2 to the video for the Unit 4A Quiz 1 review. And we're going to start with number 11. And as you recall, we have the equation of the circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. And so the center here is 0, 0, so h and k are 0, 0, so it ends up being x squared plus y squared. And the radius is 10, so r squared is equal to 100. And so it's x squared plus y squared is equal to 100. Number 12, the center of the circle, which is hk, is negative 1, 8, and then the radius is 5, so r squared is 25. So here I'm just plugging it in, and it becomes h plus 1 squared plus y minus 8 squared is equal to 25. The next one here, the center is hk, and then the radius here is 2 radical 5, so if I square that to get r squared, I have to, it's the same as saying 2 radical 5 times 2 radical 5 is equal to 4 radical 25, because I multiply the outside the radicals and inside the radicals, so then it's 4 times 5 is 20. So r squared is equal to 20. So I have x plus 5 plus squared plus y plus 5 squared is equal to 20. The next 3 problems you do kind of exactly the same, but you use your equation of the circle, and I find I have h and k. The origin is h and k, but this ends up being x and y. So whenever I have my h and k to make my left side of the equation, I can plug in my x and y to solve for r squared. So here I would say 9 squared plus negative 2 squared is equal to r squared, and so 81 plus 4 is equal to 85. So my equation would look like x squared plus y squared is equal to 85. The next one, here I have the left side of the equation is x squared plus y plus 2 squared is equal to r squared. I plug in x and y. So I have negative 6 squared plus 0 plus 2 squared, and that's going to equal r squared. So I have 36 plus 4 is equal to 40. And then I have my equation, x squared plus y plus 2 squared is equal to 40. Next one, same thing, h and k, x and y. Okay, so I'm going to get my left side of the equation, x minus 11 squared plus y minus 4 squared is equal to r squared. And then I'm going to plug in x and y, and I have negative 2 minus 11 squared plus 5 minus 4 squared is equal to r squared, negative 13 squared plus 1 squared is equal to r squared, so 169 plus 1 is equal to r squared, 170 is equal to r squared. So then I have my formula, x minus 11 squared plus y minus 4 squared is equal to 170. Moving on along, we can graph the equation. Here the center is 0, 0, and my radius is 5. So I just count up 5 spaces, over 5 spaces, and down 5 spaces, and my wonderful circle looks like that. Here it is negative 2, positive 1. My center is there. And my radius is 4. R squared is 4, so my radius is 2. I take the square root. And so your circle should look something like that. Here, my center is 0, negative 3, 1, 2, 3. And my radius is 1. And I do believe this is on the second and third video, so if you're struggling with this, you can go back and watch that. So this would be my circle. Here, my center is 0, 0, and my radius is 4. My center is 1, 1. My center is not 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then my circle looks like that. And then on the back, the last ones I'm going to plug in x and y into the equation and see if it's equal to 4, it's going to be on the circle, less than 4, it's going to be inside the circle, greater than 4 outside. So I put in -1 minus 3 squared plus -1 minus 3 squared is equal to 4. So -4 squared plus -4 squared, and, well, I don't know what that's equal to, actually. So I'm going to do 16 plus 16, and it's 32, and 32 is greater than 4, therefore it is outside the circle. Same thing goes over here. I plug in my points, 3 squared plus 4 plus 2 squared, and I see it's 9 plus 36, and so it's 45, and 45 is less than 81, so it's inside the circle. And that does it for the review. Study tonight. Look at the word problems too. You will have word problems on your quiz tomorrow.